Smart Horizon Combo Antenna. Installation instructions. Before starting, read the paper manual included with the antenna. The first step is to screw in the included cable to the first box, working in the UHF band. When installing the box to the main aluminum profile, ensure that the tab at the bottom of the box fits into the hole in the aluminum profile. The latches installed in the profile must fit into the mounting holes on the box. The antenna reflectors consist of two parts, mounted with latches. The latch closer to the edge of the first part connects with the second part of the reflector. The assembly of the next reflector is done in the same way. The reflectors are connected to the main profile of the antenna, also using latches. Now it's time for the front part of the antenna, which needs to be unfolded. Pull the arms of the module apart until the latch appears in the hole of the front plastic cover. This unfolded element is connected to the main profile. Now it's time to install the rear part of the antenna, the dipole with a box responsible for summing the signal from the UHF and VHF bands. Loosen 4 wing nuts to unfold the dipole. Place the aluminum profile into the recesses in the box. Tighten the loosened nuts. The 5th wing nut should be temporarily removed. It will connect the box to the rest of the antenna. Before attaching the second box to the frame, connect it to the first box. Next, slide the clamp onto the main profile, which will allow the antenna to be mounted on the mast. For now, lightly tighten the clamp mounting screws. The Smart Horizon Combo antenna can receive the VHF band in horizontal or vertical polarization, depending on how the signal is transmitted in the given location. In the location where this video is being recorded, the VHF signal is transmitted in vertical polarization. The rear box should be mounted to the main profile as shown in the video. After rotating the antenna, secure the box with the wing nut. The antenna is ready for installation on the mast. Installation is quick thanks to the special clamp. Just place the antenna on the mast, slide the plate between the threads, and tighten the wing nuts, but not too tightly. The antenna still needs to be adjusted. Point the antenna towards the nearest digital television transmitter. This can be done in various ways, such as using apps like Emimaps or DVB-T Finder. After pointing the antenna in the right direction, you can tighten the clamp in the front and back, securing the antenna. Make sure that the antenna dipole is not obscured by the mast pipe. The coaxial cable mount reduces the load that the cable exerts on the box. Since a compression connector is used and the box is hermetically sealed, no additional cover is needed. To achieve the best possible results, use a professional digital TV signal meter to set up the antenna. We showed this in another of our videos. Link in the description. 75 ohm coaxial cable connected to the antenna socket on the TV will be connected via an adapter. This will facilitate the later installation of an antenna power supply if needed. Time to search for DVB-T2 channels on the TV. The receiver finds all digital television multiplexes, including multiplex 8, transmitted in the VHF band in vertical polarization at the filming location. If the TV does not have a built-in DVB-T2 tuner, an additional external device should be installed. The signal parameters visible on the TV's diagnostic screen show that the reception is very good. If the signal strength or quality is low, adjust the antenna and observe these parameter indications. Antenna selection, installation location, distance from the transmitter, and terrain shape between the transmitter and the antenna are the main factors that determine good reception. The signal parameters transmitted in multiplex 8 are also very good. If the distance from the antenna to the transmitter exceeds 40 kilometers, power the amplifier in the antenna using a power supply, which is sold separately. Installation of the power supply is very simple. Just unscrew the adapter and screw the F connector of the coaxial cable into the antenna socket of the power supply. Then plug the power supply into the socket. Turning on the built-in amplifier increases the signal level by 13 decibels for the UHF band and 18 decibels for the VHF band. Thanks for watching. Visit our eShop at dipolnet.com.